Welcome back, Warlords, to another episode of Codename. And in this episode, we travel down to West Paducah, Kentucky to play at ACS, Kentucky's premier airsoft field. And in this clip, we play with players like Anth West, Magic Rob, and a couple of other great players. We play a bunch of open play games, which leads to me pulling off like crazy stuff for Jay. Just watch the clip. And if you enjoy this episode, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, and that noti button to stay notified when we drop banging episodes. Just like this. Let's get right to the gameplay.
Oh, you got that on GoPro.
Hell yeah.
What's that?
They're on the right side, right side, right side. Come here, Goomba.
Disconnect your line.
Give me a second. Moving. Here with you, here with you. Alright, I'm gonna get in this doorway. Are you sure? Full bush, man. Do we have a full bush in our team? Alright, can I kill him? Alright, we can move. I don't know, but I definitely got John right here though. Watch out, crossbar through. Yeah. Come on, West. Move. Now, go! Behind you! Other side! Hammer! He was behind, he was on the other side of it. I got you, Wes, don't worry. Get to the bang!
Big hearts, but you'll never be mine. Yeah, talk back, mistake, girl, I don't care. Yeah, the city trembles, so they feel right.
Kill, catastrophe, kill, apocalypse.
Get on out. Do this. Back.
What I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Watch out, watch out.
Choke them out. Here's a counter idea. They're probably gonna stack buckets.
They don't really fuck with the ones like us, and they gon' see us as a threat, so we overcome. We tell them, boy, you
Hurry up.
cause the clock has struck, and we gon' come to take the throne, man, your time is up. They don't really fuck with the ones like us, and they gon' see us as a
Blue,
threat.
let's go, bands, let's go, push up.
Tell them, boy, you out of luck, cause the clock has struck, and we gon' come to
No
take
bands, push up.
your time is up. They don't really fuck with the ones like us, I don't really fuck with the ones like that. Don't really grab that team, I just never get
Push up, no bands, push up. No bands, push up. Tired?
No.
Oh, you're just doing that for comedic relief?
Yeah.
And the doorway here, I'm like, get him, Ruby. Bottom left. Hurt.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out this episode. It's always a whole lot of fun playing at ACS, and please be sure to check out ACS's new field upgrades and buildings. They put in a ton of work down there in Kentucky, so please be sure to check out their new field and also some of their new staff. Hey Tim, I see you, big dog. Thanks again for watching this episode. See you guys next time.